Let's face it, AI is here to stay and also integrated in FL Studio now more and more. To access Gopher, click here on this icon, then go to Gopher, and it's an integrated chatbot right in FL Studio. You can ask it all different things. For example, give me an EDM chord progression. And then after some time you get this chord progression, you get the chords right here and the progression playing like this. So for example, you can go here in the piano roll and then add those chords in, and here they are. And I can also continue, for example, write me lyrics for my chorus. So based on the previous data that I gave it, which is an EDM song with an EDM chord progression, it suggested these chords. Now the more that I specify what I like, the more FL Studio can help me with my lyrics and other tasks. You can also let it help with FL Studio questions specifically, for example, how to pitch up my vocals. And if there are multiple options, it gives you multiple options, but also the references. For example, here on picture, you can click this, and after clicking, it opens up the image line FL Studio manual, which also is very awesome to go through. But you see there are a lot of options here, and Gopher can help with almost anything that you can think of inside of FL Studio, of course. You can also switch here in the modes that you like and start a new chat if you please. So that's basically what Gopher has to offer, and I'm curious about the future, what else it can do.